Today, we bring you an update on the US economic situation. In a moment, we will start by asking some key questions, and you will find the answers in this report. 1. Why have stock markets in the US and Asia declined sharply in recent days? 2. Which major companies have suffered the biggest losses, and what caused their stock prices to fall? 3. What impact do Donald Trump's tariffs have on the US economy and investors? Stock markets in the US and Asia have declined due to losses triggered by tariffs imposed by Donald Trump. This came after Trump stated in a television interview that the US economy was in a period of transition, when asked whether there were signs of a potential recession. Trump's aides have tried to reassure investors, but Choru Chinona, an investment strategist, said that investors are starting to rethink Trump's reputation as a stock market-friendly president. In Asian stock markets, Japan's Nikkei 225 fell by 1.7%, South Korea's Kospi dropped 1.3%, and Hong Kong's Hang Seng Index declined by 1%. In the US, the S&P 500 stock index fell by 2.7%, the Dow Jones Industrial Average dropped 2%, and the tech-heavy Nasdaq plunged by 4%. Major companies such as Tesla saw a significant loss of 15.4%, Nvidia dropped over 5%, while other big tech firms like Meta, Amazon, and Alphabet also suffered heavy losses. Tim Waterer, a financial analyst, said that the stock market is in a difficult phase because Trump's tariff policies are leaving both business leaders and investors uncertain about future economic decisions. Investors fear that Trump's tariffs on imported goods in the US will lead to rising prices, slowing economic growth. Rachel Winter, an investment expert, warned that these tariffs would likely drive up inflation. Trump introduced these tariffs, claiming that Canada, Mexico, and China were not doing enough to curb illegal immigration and drug trafficking into the US. However, these countries denied the allegations. Kevin Hassett, Trump's economic advisor, defended the tariffs, arguing that they are bringing back manufacturing and jobs to the US. He said that, despite some short-term economic fluctuations, there are many reasons to be optimistic about the future of the US economy. What do you think will happen to the economy based on what has been discussed? Let's discuss in the comments. Share your thoughts. And don't forget, subscribe, like, and share so we can continue growing our community.